Hello everyone. Today we are going to interface the sensor SI7005 with Raspberry Pi using a Python code. Let's take a look at the sensor on controleverything.com. It is a humidity and temperature sensor with an accuracy of plus minus 4.5% relative humidity and plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius. For its code, you can check out the resources section on controleverything.com, and here you will find the Python code. Here is the Python code. You can even check out our GitHub repository for the code. Well, inside github.com you need to search for Control Everything Community, and after you have done that you can search for the sensor SI7005, and here is our sensor. Now, for the implementation of the Python code, there are certain instructions. First instruction is that you have to install the SMBus library for Raspberry Pi. Now, the steps are given onto this link to install the SMBus library, and after that, to run the code, you have to give this command inside the terminal. Now, let's take a look at the code inside Python. And here is our code. Now, as I've told you, you need to import the SMBus library. Now, on the device address, which is 0x40, you need to write 0x11 on the configuration register, which is 0x03 for the temperature reading, to start the temperature reading basically with the fast mode enable and heater off. After that, you can read 3 bytes of data like this from register 00, and the 3 bytes include the status bit as well. Now you have to put a condition as specified in the data sheet. After that, you have to convert the temperature. Now the formula is given inside the data sheet, and you have to again check with the data sheet for that. And then for humidity, you have to follow similar steps like temperature reading. You have to write 0x10 onto the configuration register, which is 0x03, and similar to humidity, you need to read 3 bytes of data, and the status bit goes inside the condition. Now you can convert the data as specified in the data sheet, and then you can output the data on the screen. Now we have output the relative humidity, temperature in degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Let's take a look at the hardware, and then we will interface the sensor with Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi module, and these are the GPIOs over Raspberry Pi module. Now we have an I2C shield which is available on controleverything.com. We use this I2C shield to make the connections with other I2C devices easier. Now we have our sensor, which is SI7005. Now to connect this sensor with Raspberry Pi, we have an I2C connecting cable. Now while making connections with the sensor, please make sure that the brown cable goes inside the ground of the sensor this way, and similarly to the I2C shield. Now to provide power to the Raspberry Pi, we have a micro USB. Let's power it up. We provide internet to Raspberry Pi using a LAN cable, or we may also use a Wi-Fi adapter. Alright, for the implementation of the code, first of all, you need to copy the whole code and then move to terminal, where you need to create a file with .py extension. We've created a file with .py extension. Now you need to paste the code, and then you need to save it. After you have saved it, you can run the code as I have told you in the instructions before. This is how you run this. You can give this command, and now that you can see the relative humidity and temperature in degrees Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, now if I place my finger onto the sensor, the temperature and humidity changes. Similarly, If I remove my finger and place it again, the temperature and humidity changes again. Okay, now that you have interfaced the sensor, let me tell you some of its applications. This sensor has both humidity and temperature, you can use it for industrial HVAC and then for thermostats or humidity stats. You may also use it for respiratory therapy, white goods, then for microenvironments or data centers, then for defogging, automotive climate control, and various other applications are there. Now, if you have any kinds of doubts, you can go inside the contact us page on controleverything.com, or you give in comments in the community portal of controleverything.com. You can also check out more blogs and videos on hackster.io and instructables.com. Please don't forget to subscribe us on youtube.com, and thanks for watching.